Elledani here. I want to talk about a company that I just recently found. It is called FoxyBae, and it is a line of hairstyling tools and products. What really drew me was their travel set here, which has a mini blow dryer, a mini curling wand, and a straightener. I don't do a ton to my hair. Like, we're on the go so much when we're on vacation and traveling. I don't do a ton, honestly, but I like to have the option, and this is really compact. So we're going to do a couple things. I'm going to unbox and talk about this FoxyBae travel set. But first, I also got this sea salt texturizing spray. So I'm going to test this out. I'm really just going to like tousle my hair with it and see how I like it. I love sea salt sprays in general. I love like just a little bit of texture and wave they give you. I guess let's start with this first. This is Beach Please Sea Salt Texturizing Spray. It has biotin in it, which I believe all of their liquid hair products do. Biotin is really good for your hair and will help to make your hair grow. It is also sulfate and paraben free. Why wait all year for gorgeous summer hair? Channel your inner beach babe and add some much needed texture to your mane. This sea salt infused texturizing spray will leave your hair with sass, volume, texture, and dramatic definition worthy of a boho goddess. That kind of describes like my summer wardrobe, to be honest with you. It's like an all black boho goddess wardrobe. Less sand, more hair. Added bonus, sulfate and paraben free. Our special biotin enhanced formula fortifies your hair and promotes healthy growth. Prepare to kill the hair game with this little gem. Oh, and look, it says spray and tousle into hair, happy styling. The exact words I used. So this is my Grimfrost bone comb. It is literally made of bone and hand carved. If it's something you are interested in, I will leave a link to that down below. And I'll also leave my discount code for Grimfrost down below. So if you wanted to score something like this, you could save a little bit of money. So my hair is combed out. I'm just gonna kind of like spray this all over. If you haven't seen my other videos, the purple in my hair is actually Arctic Fox. It is also free of a lot of harsh chemicals, and I have like a really dark blonde natural hair color, and I don't bleach to get this color. So if you're interested in that, definitely check out my Arctic Fox video. I already have naturally wavy hair, so texturizing sprays just tend to kind of accentuate that. When I do a sea salt spray, I'll kind of mist it over the top and then just work it through my hair. But I do start at the bottom first and work my way up so you don't end up with too much in there. I'm going to give this just a couple of minutes to dry, and then we'll be right back to see how it does. So I gave it just a few minutes to dry, and it definitely did add some texture. It's got a really nice beachy smell to it. I know that sounds silly. It's literally a sea salt spray, so the smell is really nice, really natural. It's not like overpowering. I don't like a lot of like strong scents, especially floral stuff. I don't really like. I don't dislike what it did to my hair. And what I thought was really cool, I don't think they offer a free shipping option, but when I put this in my cart, it gave me the option to get this instead of paying for shipping. And there were three or four options starting at like $5 or $6. I think $5 to $12 were the options to get free shipping, which I would always rather buy something than pay for shipping, honestly. Even if there's like a free shipping minimum, if I'm close to it, I'm not paying shipping. I'm just going to order a little bit more. So I really liked that. I thought it was kind of cool. What first attracted me to this whole set was that it all has a faux marble finish. And that is the hairdryer with a built-in diffuser. It doesn't separate at all. If you're not aware, if you have a diffuser that comes apart and you store it with your blow dryer, it can actually grow mold and mildew on the inside just from the moisture and the humid areas you're using it in. So the fact that it is connected is really nice, and then you don't have to worry about an extra part. Oh, also, the hairdryer actually has 3 speeds, which is really nice. Even most full-size hairdryers only have 2. I haven't tried this yet, and I'm not going to in this video, obviously, because my hair is really already done. So I'm going to do a whole nother video using all 3 of these tools, and we'll see how they work. This is the flat iron. It says FoxyBae there. It is thin. I think that is a 1/2 inch flat iron. It is a little bit thin. My hair is kind of fine, but there is a lot of it, and it does have just a little bit of wavy body, so straightening my hair is pretty easy. I am confident that this will work. Now, it doesn't actually have temperature control. I think I read it was like 360. So the plates are ceramic tourmaline, as are for the curling one. So this applies to both of those. Ceramic tourmaline apparently heats hair from the inside out. And it also locks in moisture to prevent a lot of frizz. Nanotechnology prevents bacterial growth for cleaner tresses. Negative ion properties seal the cuticles, smoothing hair's surface for major bounce and shine. So anything that promotes ions essentially has to do with positive or negative electrons. So think about if you had like static energy, if you were to like rub a balloon on your hair and pull it apart. To me, this sounds like it's doing the opposite of that to help keep your hair from frizzing. It also has a it says the cord is a swivel, but I am not getting that from it. Doesn't seem to be. I don't know. And then here is this is the curling rod. It's 19 millimeters, so it's really not huge, but I mean, I think you'd be able to do decent sized sections of hair actually. And even if you don't want the curls to be tight, you can brush it out a little bit before you use hairspray or anything like that. I'm definitely going to do a styling video using both of these. And then I'm also going to do a blowout video with this, and we're going to test all 3 of those. It might be 1 video, it might be 3 parts, I'm not really sure yet. But definitely look out for that. And then these products come in a case so that they each have their own section that you can literally just slip right into a carry-on even. Honestly, any of my makeup tools like this, I do typically take in a carry-on just so things aren't getting broken if my luggage is mishandled or anything like that. So I just think it's a better idea, and this is all compact enough that it wouldn't be hard to just shove this in one of our rolling carry-ons, which we usually use. FoxyBae's hair products are also cruelty-free, which you know is really important to me. I really like what I see with a lot of their products and a lot of really good reviews. I have applied to be an affiliate, so we'll see what happens there. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to hit that bell down below, that will ensure you don't miss any videos from me, and we have a whole lot of cool styling videos coming up. Until next time.